Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. The Vishnu Sahasranama is found in the Mahabharata. Literally translated, this means the 1,000 names of Vishnu. This is found in the Anushasanika Parvam of the Mahabharata. Bhishma Pitama was defeated and grievously wounded by Arjuna. But since he could choose the time of his death, as per the boons received by him, he chose to die in Uttarayana and was waiting for the auspicious time. Meanwhile, the war was over, leading to the death of all those male members in his family except the Pancha Pandavas and the unborn child of Abhimanyu. Yudhishthira, the eldest of the Pandavas, became the king of Hastinapura, and whom else would he go to for advice other than the great Bhishma? The Anushasanika Parva is in the form of questions and answers between Yudhishthira and Bhishma Pitamaha. To a question as to what is the best possible stotra, Bhishma answers that it is the Vishnu Sahasranama and teaches it to Yudhishthira. The importance of the Vishnu Sahasranama is further enhanced by the fact that a person no less than Bhagwan Shankaracharya had written an elaborate commentary for each of the namas. The tradition goes that when Sri Shankaracharya wanted to write his first commentary on the Upanishads, he asked one of his disciples to bring the Taittiriya Upanishad. But the disciple brought the manuscripts of the Vishnu Sahasranama. This was repeated a second and a third time. Sri Shankara felt that this was ordained by the Lord himself, and therefore he wrote his commentary on the Vishnu Sahasranama first, before undertaking other Bhashya works. Sri Shankaracharya himself has written the 3 invocatory verses before commencing his commentary. In the first verse, he salutes Sri Krishna as Param Brahma, Atma, and also as the Guru. In the second verse, he salutes sage Vyasa, the author of this Sahasranama, and in the third verse, he praises the Sahasranama itself. He also gives the reason for undertaking the explanation of these namas. The first verse, Satchidananda Rupaya Krishnaya Klishtakarine Namo Vedanta Vedyaya Gurave Buddhi Sakshine. Salutation to Sri Krishna, whose nature is Satchidananda, who acts effortlessly, who is to be known through the Vedanta, who is in the form of one's Guru, and who is Buddhi Sakshine, the witness of the intellect. Krishna Dvaipayanam Vyasam Sarvalokahite Ratam Vedabja Bhaskaram Vande Shamadhi Nilayam Munim. I salute the sage Krishna Dvaipayana Vyasa, who is desirous of the welfare of all beings, who is the son to the lotus of the Vedas, and who is an abode of the qualities like self-mastery and so on. Sahasramurte Purushottamasya Sahasranetranapadabahu Sahasranamnam Stavanam Prashastam Niruchyate Janma Jaradi Shantye. The praiseworthy hymn of the 1,000 names of Purushottama, who has thousands of forms and thousands of eyes, mouth, feet, and arms, is commented upon for the cessation of birth, old age, and so on.